The Lagos Waste Management Authority, LAWMA, is seeking stronger partnerships to address the growing challenge of construction, demolition and disaster waste in Lagos. At a one-day stakeholders forum, experts emphasized the urgent need for sustainable practices to reduce environmental hazards. Bukola Taylor reports.
With Lagos undergoing rapid urban development, construction and demolition waste now accounts for a significant portion of solid waste generated in the state. This stakeholders forum, organized by the Lagos State Waste Management Authority, LAWMA, brought together policymakers, contractors and environmental experts to chart a sustainable path forward.
As stakeholders in the generation of construction and demolition waste and debris, we must be interested in the responsible, sustainable disposal, recycling, and reuse of materials. We must be concerned about the effects of our work on air and water quality.
One of the problems that we have seen in the management of construction waste, demolition waste, and disaster waste is ignorance. People have to be educated on the right way to handle this waste, to process it and to get it off their site to the appropriate locations.
We create a system in such a way they can register theirs at the convenience of their homes and offices. You don't need to come to LAWMA. You just go to lawma.com, register the kind of waste you want to evacuate, and ensure that proper management plan is put in place for you at your construction site.
And I'm sure my governor is already thinking in that direction.
Discussions centered on recycling and reusing construction waste materials, CDDW portal, and the need for stricter compliance.
We can make use of this material to use as scape. We can use them for structural concrete, and we can actually use them for traffic bollards. So there's a lot of things that we can make use of this material. The fact that they call it recycled doesn't make it inferior. It's all about ensuring that the natural resources that are not infinite are left for the generations to come, while we are still making sure that we achieve our own objective.
Nothing is waste, everything is a resource. So what is waste to one is a resource to another. So we just have to ensure that it's properly disposed of or moved on to the next place where it becomes a resource.
Waste management becomes an economic powerhouse, right? So we are generating waste, the waste is being used to produce, generating jobs. We'll see less of these problems. So I think it's mostly a stakeholder issue. All these moving parts have to come together for cohesion. And then you see improvement.
The forum's theme, Building Responsibly and Driving Efficiency, reflects the Lagos State government's commitment to a circular economy where waste is not just discarded but transformed into useful resources. Stakeholders say the conversation must translate into real action on construction sites across Lagos. Bukola Taylor, LTV News.